If you think fjords are beautiful in photos, wait till you glide right through them. Today we are sailing from the heart of Bergen into Norway's dramatic fjord landscape on the legendary Mostraumen Cruise. And trust me, this is one experience you don't want to miss. The Mostraumen Cruise starts from the heart of Bergen, the city's lively harbour area, surrounded by markets, cafes, and historic buildings. Within minutes of boarding, you go from city vibes to full on Norwegian wilderness, and that contrast alone is incredible. The total duration of the cruise is 3.5 hours, making it a perfect half day activity. It's one of the best value experiences you can have in Norway. As the boat gently leaves the harbour, you sail past Bryggen, Bergen's iconic row of colourful wooden houses. These buildings date back centuries and were once used by Hanseatic traders. Seeing Bryggen from the water feels like stepping into a history book, except the backdrop is mountains and sea instead of paper. Soon the city disappears behind you, and the landscape opens up into the breathtaking Osterfjord. This is where the scenery becomes dramatic. Steep mountains rising straight out of the water, tiny settlements tucked into the shoreline, and silence broken only by the sound of the boat and waterfalls in the distance. As the cruise continues deeper, you reach Mostraumen, the narrow strait that gives the tour its name. Here, the fjord becomes dramatically tight, with strong currents and steep rock walls closing in around the boat. This area is known for its fast moving water and changing tides, making it both thrilling and beautiful. It feels like sailing into a secret passage carved by nature itself. One of the most magical parts of this cruise is the sheer number of waterfalls you see along the way. Depending on the season, you'll spot countless waterfalls streaming down the mountain sides, some thin and delicate, others powerful and roaring after rainfall or snow melt. They appear suddenly, flowing directly into the fjord and creating this raw, untouched feeling that Norway is famous for. Every turn reveals another waterfall, another jaw dropping view, another wow moment. But the real highlight, the captain doesn't just let you admire waterfalls from afar, the boat actually moves extremely close to one of the waterfalls. You can feel the cold mist on your face, hear the thunder of water hitting the rocks, and watch it crash down just meters away from the boat. It's powerful, refreshing, and honestly unforgettable. This isn't something you experience from a viewpoint. This is nature right in your face. And while the scenery feels wild and remote, the boat itself is very comfortable. There is an onboard cafe where you can buy snacks, sandwiches, pastries, and drinks. Perfect for warming up with a coffee while watching waterfalls glide past your window. There are also spacious indoor seating areas with large panoramic windows, as well as outdoor decks if you want uninterrupted views and fresh fjord air. The Mostraumen Cruise is a must do because it gives you everything Norway is famous for: fjords, waterfalls, mountains, history, and comfort, all in one seamless experience. No hiking, no driving, no planning stress. Just sit back and let Norway do what it does best. After soaking in the views, the boat slowly makes its way back to Bergen, giving you time to reflect, relax, and scroll through hundreds of photos you just took. Because trust me, you'll take a lot. If you are visiting Bergen and skipping the Mostraumen cruise, you are doing it wrong. And if this video helped you plan your trip or inspired you to explore more of Norway, make sure to like, subscribe, and travel the world with us. More adventures coming very soon. See you in the next one. Till then, bye.